Hi everyone, welcome to Microbit. Now, let's learn about the Microbit project. Here, this is the Microbit. Microbit, look closely. Here is the micro. Now, it's time. So, let's create a new project. See all the project? I'm gonna put this until now. There's no code left. There's no code left. Just no code left, right? Now, let's learn about the microbit. Here, about the microbit. But first, let's connect the device. So, maybe I will see later. Try again. Okay. Here. Wait. Are we connected again? Hey, what happened to my microbit? Okay, done. Now, now let's create a new project. Let's go to on start and forever start. So let's go to basics, take show icons, here after that, then we go to math, pick random, variable, names, you just put your name. Here, this is an example. We'll be change it by 1. It will be pick random number. So let's go to math again. No, let's go to let. Plot by graph of, not a plot by graph of again. After that, let's go to loops. Repeat it 4 times. Here. We go to logic. If. But just do like that first. We go to turtle. That's speed. Yes, finally. Set. Logic. Comparison. Variable. 0. Gaming. So we're not in game. Yes. It's just drinking. That more calm. to our class. Welcome to our class. Complicated. So we will put this is the this is the end of our class. Complicated. Goodbye. Here. After that, we go to raise, not text. Now, after that, we will go to input, light level. I didn't download yet, but for our blocks. Show string again. Show string out. Welcome to our class, but here's one choice. Loops for index. Yeah. Then with that duplicated. Yes, sir. Woo! Cannot believe. Yeah. Everyone went away similar. I change it. Done. Let's start download. Make a few seconds. But first, input on button H, press it. On button B, press it. Wait, why is cannot? Oh, piano. Wait, what does it mean? Download failed. What happened? A second. Looks okay. Then we download. Make a few seconds. Else. Just make a few seconds. Okay. Hey. Wait, go. We made it. Get a tiny button. A will come to our class. This is the end. Yeah, so that looks good. Now, so now put a little bit. Don't make more sound, okay? So now we're done on the project. Let's look at the JavaScript. Don't forget the JavaScript. Oh, 36. Oh, wait. And we'll copy it. Let's go to block. Oh, I believe it. Go to Microbit again. So now we don't waste any more time. Connect to Y. Wait, cannot. Oh, I used the Microbit. Done. Download it. Hey, this time. Hey, who else cannot? Well, swing up. To right. Shake. So again. It did work. Did you hear it? Woo! That's very nice. Yo. Download. I tried it on one car, but you want a wolf? No one here. Getting harder and harder. Wait. Oh! Now let's check my score. 27. Oh, cannot believe it now. Look at this game, everyone. Is it forever in 2? How can it possibly be 2? Control car. Hmm. Oh, wait. No one can crush me. What is... Score. Let's check my score. 10. Ah, check another game. So, this is the end of this video. So, bye everyone for listening my video.